Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to another video. Today what we're doing is part 2, continuing the Megane Decat. Last night I was like, I went on Instagram live for a bit, I was talking to people and I thought yes, I'm ready, there's not that much to do. And then today I woke up, the weather's crap, and I'm like, whew, am I ready for this? Am I ready? So emotions are, I feel like my emotions are all over the place, like, whoa, what's going on? So I've just been to Halfords, bought a O2 socket so I can remove the lambda sensors, because I'm going to cut the cat, cut the top of the cat, cut the bottom of the cat, and obviously if I get any stuff in the lambda sensor then it's going to like go mad, so I'll have to replace them. So what I'm going to do first, O2 sensor, crack them, Bosch, take them out, top and bottom, and then go from there really. So yeah, let's get it, and I hope you'll enjoy today's video. Boo! Right then, so that was the tool we used yesterday to like crack it off. I literally just put that round the back of the turbo and I managed to crack it off. But I ordered this yesterday and it's come already. So here's my little moon spanner. So hopefully when I'm, say the Decat's here, when I'm there, I'll be able to loosen it off, so happy days. So what we're going to do first guys, there is a bolt literally chilling down there. That's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to get my new tool, I'm going to loosen that off, and then secondly what we're going to do, we're going to get this O2 sensor out, because then pretty much the top is ready to be cut. So yep, that is what we're going to do there, so let's do it. So hopefully you can see that, just Bosch straight off, come off a bit, Bosch, yes, lovely jubbly, there we go, and then just loosen it off as you do. Right then, so Mr. McBolty is out, so I've got the 3 cat bolts there for the top, so that's pretty much done. O2 sensor, just disconnected that, which is that one there, just clips onto that, so unclip that. So now I've got my tool, which is this 22mm oxygen socket sensor, so let's crack that off, and the top bit's done there. I think I'm going to get rid of this bracket, take that off. I don't actually know what that's for anyway, so if anyone knows, comment down below, let me know please. And then I'm going to potentially get underneath, do the same again, undo the bolts that meet the centre section, get rid of the O2 sensor. I think there's another bracket or two down there, and then we'll cut the cat. Right then, so there's the O2 sensor. It seems to be on pretty tight, so lovely jubbly. Get the wire out of the way, let's just spin. Should spin nice and easy now, so take that off. Give it a little crack. Yeah, it should be alright now. So take that off. Give it a little spin. And we're coming out. Yes! Happy days. Whee, we're out. Lovely jubbly. So far so good. I've been on it about 10 minutes. I've caught my hand, but yeah, so the top pretty much is done, apart from cutting it at the top. Top's done, so what I'm going to do now, get underneath and see what needs doing. The floor's wet, so I'm going to get soaked. Good job I got old clothes on and that, so yeah, let's see what needs to be done underneath. And then look at the screen, it should be recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
What did they say? Ejecto CO cut. That definitely beats doing the wire, that does. Right then, I'm not going to like just skip to it being done. I'm going to try and show you what has been done. Right. So basically, here to here was a dog bone mount, and then there was another little mount that you sat on there. We've managed to get that out. It's like one bolt there, and then there's 3 bolts holding the bracket on. Now we can see Catalina. We've got 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt at the top, but we've got to go from like the back of the subframe on loads of extensions to get to it. O2 sensor, which is just up there, and then I believe there is a bracket holding the cat on, and then it should be good to get cut out, and hopefully we can get it out. So yeah, that's where we're at. So it's like, imagine Star Trek, yeah, but sponsored by Halfords. yeah, so basically we got to go from the back of the subframe, so we need quite a few extensions to crack it off. So 13mm, top of the downpipe. Let's do it. Right then, so hands are cut up. The room in there is unbelievable to get to. All we got now realistically is a cap. The cap, there's a bracket for the cat, which is like 2 bolts, and then there's another bolt holding the cat in place, and then lambda sensor, and then we're going to get a cutter, because the angle grinder is going to be dodgy as hell, so we're just going to get a reciprocating saw. We're going to cut it like that, and then hopefully it comes out. So we're going to do now, spray some WD-40, because this one bolt was solid. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Right then, so to be fair, I'd say the worst bolt was that, you know, the one you just did, the one on the court. There's like one on the corner of the cat, a bracket, and then there's another one right next to the O2 sensor. I don't think I'll be able to get to the O2 sensor, I really don't. So I think I'm gonna have to like cut the cat at the top, then try and wiggle it down, and then go from there. But I've got my sexy assistant under there. He's super sexy, go far. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I've like run out of puff, I've like cut my hands to bits, so we're just having a little blast. Also I have a 5-second breather. Right then, so Catalina is pretty much loose. The only thing that's holding it in is one O2 sensor at the bottom. So I think we're just going to cut it, get the O2, get the cat out. And saying that, we ain't going to be able to get the cat out unless the O2 sensor's out, because it's going to be hanging. It's still going to be there.
You might, yeah, but you might have clearance to actually get to it to be able to undo it, innit?
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see what happens there.
Well, how much?
Right then, so what we've bought is a chopper cutter finger. We bought 5 extra metal blades because Catalina's getting it. I think we're going to cut it like right down there. So if anyone actually wanted to buy this cat, I'm sorry, because it's getting cut. This is a bit of a git, but yeah, we're just going to cut straight down there, get it out of the way, cut the bottom, drop it, lock it's hot. So let's do it.
Right, Todd.
More left.
So look,
Let's go down a bit.
So you've gone all the way through there. You've just literally just got that bottom bit to go through now.
I ain't gonna touch that manifold over.
Right.
No, it should do. You old slut.
Should be able to.
It's going to be rough, so what is that? We're out. Can you grab that? Right then, so we've like managed to cut some of it. We've cut the top's off. We're just doing underneath now because there's not much room to manoeuvre with at all. So we're literally just going to cut it as short as we can. Put glasses on and that, because obviously looking above the car cutting. So yeah, we're just trying to cut away and then hopefully get some space and free it out. So that is the plan, and I'll get back to you when the cat's out. Right, and there's literally tools, cart shed, lights. For the love of God, can't get it out. I've cut the cat at the bottom, cut the cat at the top. We can't wedge it out, so we're just trying to loosen off the drive. There's a bracket on the drive shaft, trying to loosen that off and hope it'll give us something just to get it out, because he's going in a sec and I ain't going to be able to do it on my own. So yeah, it is, if you're on your own I think you ain't got no chance, but yeah, let's see. Right then, that's me done. I'm stuck, like literally, I don't even know what's going on. It won't come out at all, it will not fucking come out. I'm knackered. Like, all I've had to drink and eat today is a cup of tea and biscuits at like 10 o'clock. It's like 6 o'clock now. I don't know, that cutter seems to be a bit crap. I'm trying to cut through it and it's just like not cutting, it's just bending the blade. So yeah, I'm done now. I'm pretty sure I feel defeated. But I just need to cut it as much as I can, but it just seems to be shit to cut, so yeah, I don't know where this is going to be. I don't know if it's going to be the ending, because I didn't really film much today because it's so like, it's all under the car and difficult, so yeah. Well, I'll see you on the next clip. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow and a better day, so let's get it.